Hey guys, so this is a specs comparison video between the BV8900 from Blackview and the Oukitel WP26. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dig into it. So the BV8900 weighs 398 grams and it is 19.8mm thick, while the WP26 is 18.4mm thick, but currently its weight is unknown. But I expect the WP26 to be very heavy, especially because of its huge battery, which I'll talk about in a minute. The BV8900 flaunts a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with Gorilla Glass protection. It's a punch hole display, while the WP26 has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS display as well. There's no mention of a Gorilla Glass protection, and it's a wall-drop notch display. Both devices are powered by the Helio P90, which is a very capable processor, but it's not as efficient as majority of the mid-range processors we have today. Both devices utilizes 8GB RAM, and both devices is equipped with a 256GB onboard storage. Both devices also runs on the latest Android 13. The Oukitel WP26 runs on the stock version of Android 13, while the BV8900 has Blackview's custom skin on top. In the camera department, the BV8900 features a dual rear camera setup, including a 64MP primary sensor and a 5MP additional camera. It also supports thermal imaging, while the WP26 features a triple rear camera setup, which consists of a 48MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision, and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera of both devices are the same, which is 16MP. Now the battery of both devices are different. The BV8900 has a 10,380 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging, while the WP26 is backed by a 10,600 mAh battery. There's no mention if it supports fast charging, but it is expected to support fast charging. Other features of both devices are pretty much the same. They both support NFC. Both devices are equipped with a side fingerprint scanner that is embedded on the power button, and on the other side of both devices is a customizable key. And they are also rated IP68 and IP69K. The BV8900 supports glove mode. I cannot say the same for the Oukitel WP26 because it wasn't mentioned. So these are the differences and similarities between the BV8900 and the Oukitel WP26. In my opinion, both devices are equipped with impressive specs. If you would like to share anything about these devices, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.